So in this video we're going to show you how to mount the main control unit with the rear brake lever and the throttle. So just slide the main control unit into the stem. First we will mount the throttle. Remember, there is a threaded hole here and there is a hole here in the throttle. So you just need to slide the throttle into the handlebar. You have to take your 3mm Allen bolt that we had removed, and you have to align the bolt. You have to insert it through the left hole, and you have to align the hole with the bolt and start screwing in your throttle until it's fully adjusted. And then you move to the brake lever, and you will need your 5mm Allen wrench. You slide the brake lever and you use your wrench to adjust it right here to the desired height. So now it's firm. Then you can mount your grips. So this is the right one. Then you mount the left one. And then you use your bolts that we used to remove initially. So for this operation you will need the hex number 4, and you take your main large bolts. You need to insert them, align the holes, insert them, and then you proceed with the second one. You may want not to leave them not fully adjusted until you present all the bolts. And then you change for your T25, and you have to insert 2 bolts on the left, 2 bolts on the side, and 1 bolt in the front, as we did in the unmounting process. So you align the holes. You can present them with your hand first. So you have one here, the other one in the bottom, and then with your T25 you can screw them in. And then you do the same for the right side. And then one more in the front. Underneath the headlight. And now you have mounted the main control unit, the throttle, and you can slide the silicone part on top of the brake to complete the operation.